Hi and welcome to So Much to See. Each week we aim to bring you along with us as we travel Australia. Joe and I hope that we inspire you, and if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel more than you know. Let's see where we are off to in this episode.
Welcome to Whyalla, located on Eyre Peninsula's Spencer Gulf in beautiful South Australia. Whyalla is famous for its captivating cuttlefish and dolphins, steelworks industry and nature-based activities. Visit the steelworks and learn how they transform ore into steel. Wonder at the antics of the resident dolphins. Feel the sand between your toes when searching for a delicious meal of fresh crab off the Whyalla foreshore beach. And don't forget to take a walk out onto the famous circular jetty. The jetty is 165 metres long. However, the circumference of the loop is a further 150 metres of walking distance. So, a grand total of the jetty is approximately 315 metres long. Beautiful spot to watch the sunrise or fish of the jetty. We think a walk along here any time of the day would be enjoyable. Hummock Hill, located at the eastern end of Whyalla, offers stunning 360-degree views of the area. Developed by BHP as a gift to the city in honour of the company's centenary, the lookout was inaugurated during the 1986 SA Jubilee Royal Visit. Historically significant, Hummock Hill was the site of the first settlement at the turn of the century. The development of the lookout incorporated the old gun emplacements, which remain visible today. A one-way sealed road, suitable for both caravans and coaches, leads to a parking area next to the lookout. Visitors will find a restored wartime gun, heritage interpretive signage, and a sheltered viewing and picnic area. During World War II, Hummock Hill served as a gun battery, equipped with 4 guns along with command and signals posts. The initial fortifications were constructed by BHP workmen, with the majority of the work completed by gunners from the 26th Heavy Anti-Aircraft Battery. under the direction of the 65th Deputy Commander Royal Engineers, who arrived in Whyalla on February 14, 1942.
Such a great spot. Had so much fun there.
Thank you for watching, and if you have made it this far, please like and subscribe. It does help the channel more than you know. Also, we have our own merchandise available. The link will be in the description below.